Rosemary oil or onion oil, which actually helps your hair grow faster. I have tested both, researched the science, and today I will give you all the answers that you need to know before you pick up the next hair oil. Hi guys, welcome to Beauty Made Easy. If you are new here, I am Deepthi and I make videos on skincare, hair care and makeup. So let's get quickly into the video. Rosemary oil is known to improve blood circulation in the scalp. Rosemary oil improves blood circulation in the scalp, which stimulates hair follicles, encouraging new growth. Often compared to minoxidil in studies for its natural hair growth effects. It strengthens hair roots, reducing hair breakage and shedding, prevents hair thinning and maintains hair density. It helps to combat dandruff by reducing scalp dryness and fungal activity. It cleanses the scalp by dissolving buildup and sebum, keeping the pores clean and clear. Onion oil is rich in sulfur that promotes collagen production and strengthens hair follicles. The high sulfur content strengthens hair strands, reducing breakage, split ends, and thinning. Regular use can reduce excessive shedding and support the retention of hair by nourishing the roots. But yes, it can smell intense. With rosemary oil, I noticed baby hairs after a month. I applied it 2 times a week. I make rosemary oil at home using rosemary leaves and rosemary essential oil. You can check those on my channel. With onion oil, I noticed less hair fall in the second month. It took longer to see results. Also, the smell was a challenge. I had to double shampoo every time I used it. Both helped in their own way, but results do depend on how consistently you use them. So, which one grows your hair faster? Based on my experience and clinical studies, rosemary oil works faster for reducing hair fall and promoting thicker regrowth within 4 to 6 weeks. Onion oil works too, but takes time and consistency, and it is a big no for those who have a sensitive scalp. Oil your hair 2 to 3 times a week, followed by a gentle sulfate-free shampoo. And do not forget to include healthy diet in your routine. And also do check out my hair growth juice recipe that actually reduced my hair fall. Hair growth is a journey and the right oil can make a huge difference. If you have tried any of these oils, do let me know how it worked for you. This is my experience and my conclusion. I prefer rosemary oil for my hair. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, take care.